Hey, this is Dave Espino, and in today's video, somebody requested that I answer this question, and that is, what is the weirdest way you make passive income? I make passive income in a variety of different ways. I'm just going to list them out really quickly. One is through print-on-demand products on the internet. One is through the Merch by Amazon program, which is Amazon's print-on-demand t-shirt business. Another is through the Kindle marketplace, selling my ebooks, as well as the paperback versions of those books on Amazon. Another way I make passive income is through affiliate marketing and email marketing. And my favorite way that I make passive income is through online courses, creating online courses that all kinds of people buy, and it creates a massive passive income for me. That's my favorite and my biggest form of passive income. But what is the weirdest way I make passive income? Well, the weirdest way is occasionally I'll get this payment notification in my email and it says I made 31 cents. And I think it's funny because it's selling a sticker. Now, this is not the sticker. Let me show you in a little bit bigger way. This is not the sticker that I sell, but it's a sticker just like this. And every time I sell these stickers, it makes me 31 cents. So, and I do that on the redbubble.com website. So with Redbubble, you can upload a design and then have it available in different formats. Like you could have it available in a mug, like this coffee mug, right? You can have it available in stickers, sticker format, and different types of stickers. Like this is a small one, like that. You can also have it available in t-shirts, of course, and notebooks, and even in clocks, like the clock back there. Okay. Now, these are just my branded merchandise, so I use Redbubble for that. But you can create basically designs of anything and have them available on all these types of products as well as other products, including like full wall tapestries, posters, clothing, other types of clothing. It's pretty amazing what you can do with just one design. Now, when you do that and you list a design that's popular, then people will find it on the Redbubble website and they'll buy it from you, and that creates a passive income because they already have the traffic, you provide the products, people buy from you, you make a royalty. But anyway, the weirdest passive income I make is a 31 cent royalty whenever I sell these particular stickers on Redbubble. I thought that was funny. So thanks for the question, and if you're interested in passive income, primarily through online courses, which is my biggest source of passive income, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you on another video.